Welcome to today's episode from Natural Remedies Cheshire, and thank you for joining us. In today's episode, we explore an herb that's as versatile as it is powerful. Coriander, known as cilantro in North America or dhania in parts of India, this leafy green has been adding fresh, zesty flavour to kitchens around the world for centuries. But did you know that coriander can also work wonders for your health and well-being? That's right. Today, we'll dive into some surprising ways this everyday herbal gift from Mother Nature can support your body, including helping you detox from heavy metals. Yes, you heard that right. Heavy metals. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Now, you may already know that coriander is great for digestion. Its essential oils stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, making it easier for your body to break down food and absorb nutrients. It's also rich in antioxidants, which fight those pesky free radicals and reduce inflammation. This can support everything from heart health to brain function, and even help lower blood sugar levels. But here's the truly surprising part. Coriander helps detoxify your body from heavy metals, things like mercury, lead, and aluminium. These harmful toxins can accumulate over time from sources like food, deodorants, water, and even pollution. Unfortunately, our bodies don't always have the tools they need to get rid of these metals effectively on their own. That's where coriander comes in. Coriander contains compounds that bind to these heavy metals, helping to pull them out of your tissues and escort them out of your system through the body's natural elimination processes. This is called chelation, and it's one of the most unique benefits of coriander that many people don't know about. So how can you tap into this incredible detox power? Let's talk recipes. One simple yet delicious way to get more coriander into your diet is by making a coriander detox smoothie. Blend a handful of fresh cilantro with cucumber, lime juice, a chunk of ginger, and a splash of water. This refreshing blend not only helps with detoxing, but also boosts your hydration and adds a dose of essential vitamins. If smoothies aren't your thing, another option is coriander tea, which is incredibly easy to make. Just steep a handful of fresh cilantro leaves in hot water for about 10 minutes. Strain it and sip. This mild, earthy tea is perfect if you're looking for a gentle way to support your body's detoxification on a regular basis. For something a bit more flavorful, how about a cilantro pesto? Swap out traditional basil for fresh cilantro and blend it with garlic, olive oil, lemon juice, and your favorite nuts, like almonds or walnuts. Spread this zesty pesto on toast, toss it with pasta, or use it as a dip for roasted veggies. And let's not forget the classic dishes where coriander really shines. Whether it's adding fresh cilantro leaves to tacos, curries, or soups, you're giving your body an extra health boost with every bite. In addition to its detox properties, coriander is packed with vitamins A, C, and K. These vitamins are vital for maintaining healthy skin, strong bones, and a robust immune system. The high levels of vitamin A in coriander can even support good vision, while vitamin C enhances your body's ability to fight infections. Vitamin K, on the other hand, is essential for blood clotting and bone health. Coriander also has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, which means it can help protect your body from harmful pathogens. Research has even shown that coriander oil may be effective against certain bacterial infections like salmonella. So, adding a sprinkle of cilantro to your meals might just give you a little extra defense against foodborne illnesses. And if you suffer from joint pain or arthritis, coriander's anti-inflammatory properties can help soothe discomfort. Studies have shown that the antioxidants in coriander reduce inflammation at the cellular level. which may ease symptoms of arthritis, headaches, and even skin conditions like eczema. So, whether you're using coriander, cilantro, or dhania, this herb offers so much more than just a pop of flavour. From detoxing your body of heavy metals to supporting your immune system and reducing inflammation, coriander is truly a powerhouse ingredient you don't want to overlook. Thank you sincerely for tuning in today. I hope you feel inspired to try some of these simple yet effective ways to incorporate coriander into your diet. Please don't forget to subscribe for more tips and insights into boosting your health naturally. And if you liked this short film, don't forget to hit the like button for me. Until next time, stay healthy, stay curious, always read ingredient labels, and keep trying to explore the natural wonders of the world around you.